Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create soft cloth animations and soft cloth 3D modeling in Blender 3.6 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. This is just a new project of a Blender 3.6, and as there are more, I'm going to press A and press delete to delete everything. So first, as there are more, I'm going to create a mesh, a cube mesh. Then I'm going to add a plane, and then I press S to make this plane bigger. So I press G and press D to make sure I lift it up. Now I want to make this plane to become a cloth. What can I do is just click it and then go to the physics to make it become a cloth. Then also turn on the collision. Next, go to the edit mode, and then now you can see this is just a surface. This is just a face with 4 edges. I right click it. I make sure I click and select the face. I right click it, subdivide. Once I subdivide it, then the number of cuts I increase it. I increase it to become 15, for example, or just make it 20. Next, back to the object mode, and then now this cube, I want this soft cloth to cover on this cube. First, I can just click this cube. Then, at the same time, I select the physics, turn on the collision. That's all. So once I try to play, now it is going to become a soft cloth like this. So now I click and back to the first frame. Of course, I can click this cloth and back to the edit mode again. I right click and subdivide it and try to play again. I back to the object mode, I try to play. Now you can see it already become a soft cloth. You can re-simulate it. Now you can see it already become a cloth. So if I want to just make it as a 3D model, then I may just click this soft cloth and then just go to the modifier here. I click and apply. Here I click and apply until I clear everything. Then it will become a 3D model. So now even if I back to the first frame, it is no more simulation, but it already become a 3D model. So if you want to export it as FBX, it is pretty simple. Before that, I'm just going to save as a blend file. I click File, Save As. On the desktop, I'm going to save this as Soft Cloth Demo 01. I click Save. Then I'm going to export as FBX. Then this is the FBX name. The path mode, you have to choose copy and turn this on to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX. I click Export FBX. Then the FBX is already here. If I try to double click and open, it is going to open by using the 3D viewer. And now you can see your own soft cloth with simulated. This is the final 3D model. So of course you can change some of the shapes, and I'm going to add something. Just create a new project file. I don't save this. Then let's say if I try to add, first I press A and delete everything. I'm going to just add a cylinder. Then I press G, I press S to make it bigger. Next, I'm going to just add a plane as well. Add the surface plane. Then I press S to make it bigger. I press G and press D to make it up. The same as just now, I will just go to the edit mode and right click subdivide it until it can cover this. Then I back to the object mode, same as just now, I click, then go to the physics, turn on the cloth, turn on the collision. Turn on the collision. Next, for the body, I turn on the collision. Now I try to play. You can see this cloth really covered this cylinder. So you can save this as FBX, but before that, always remember, click and back to the modifier. Just click and apply, So for this time, I'm going to just click File, Export FBX. On the desktop, the file name, Soft Cloth Simulation 01. I click Save As. Then we are going to have a look. File, Export FBX. Then here I'm going to choose copy and turn this on. This is to make sure all of the material were exported out. Then I'm going to export on my desktop. Name this as Soft Cloth Demo 02. I click export. Now try to open. It is going to open by using the 3D viewer. Now you can see the cloth is, this piece of cloth is on the cylinder. Right, that's really easy. You can just add some color. Just go to the material, add some color. It is not that difficult, it is quite easy. Right. That's all for today about how to create soft cloth 3D modeling and the soft cloth simulations in Blender 3.6. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.